everything right here. We got that storage from Walmart. Regular stuff. Mirror came from Walmart. Frame, Dollar Tree. This little phone set I got here came from Amazon. I got paid like $30 something for it. I'll link it below. That mouse also came from Amazon along with the mouse pad, and I went ahead and spray painted it pink. These I got from Dollar Tree. Now, I actually spray painted that frame. Dollar Tree, spray painted that frame. That's also from Dollar Tree. This cute little flower set also came from Dollar Tree. This desk came from Amazon along with that rug. I will link it below. And then I have my little board here. Those are magnets, and those came from Walmart. I'll also link it below. So yeah, this is my overall office. I have a pink chair coming to match, so it's really going to tie in this area.